And what happened? Because here we brings all tutorials for you about your comments. Because of it, it's very important you subscribe at this channel. So subscribe down here. The first thing you need to do is open the settings of your Facebook, tapping right here, okay? After that, you need to looking for the settings and privacy. Tap right here and tap in settings. In this new method, you must click right here in Meta Account Center, okay? Just tap right here in See More in Account Center. After that, it will show many options to you click. You need to scroll down until you find these options. Personal details. Tap right here. After that, it will show many informations to you. You just need to click in the last options. Account ownership and control. Manage your data, modify your legacy content, deactivate or delete your account and profiles. In this part, you need to pay attention for 1 second. You will have two options to you click. If you wish, deactivation or deletion. If you wish, delete your account, but you still are not sure, you can temporarily deactivate. So tap right here in this option, select your account. In my case, I'll delete my Facebook account, tapping right here. In this case, you will must click in one of these options, or deactivate account or delete account. So you press continue and you must put your password and confirm some informations that Facebook will ask to you. I hope I help you with this tutorial. Please don't forget, subscribe at this channel, leave a like and leave a comment down here. Thank you, my dear friend. Until the next video and see ya.